The Fajikunda Major Health Center hosted its annual data presentation for the Ministry of Health of the Gambia at a hotel in Kololi. This event aimed to share the center's achievements and challenges during 2023 with the public. The presentation covers various service delivery methods, focusing on the statistics generated by the facility. In her welcoming remarks, Ramatullah Kamara, the officer in charge of the Fajikunda Major Health Center, expressed gratitude to the Fajikunda community and their partners for their continuous support. She emphasized the importance of data collection.
So please, let's go through the presentation because data is very, very important. If you look at our theme for this year, we said a positive data is the key to health development. So it's very important. We are all seated here today. Without data, I don't think we can able to tap funds from anywhere. So data plays an important role for health development. So please, your input, our output, your input, together will have a better outcome out of this event. With this data presentation, and also we have award to give to those who have worked tirelessly. Please, everybody have worked tirelessly, but in a race, you must have one to win. This is a race, and it's a highly competitive race. For those who will be awarded this year, I said a big bravo to you. For those who will not be awarded, please don't take it as a defeat, take it as a challenge. That next year, I will be called here. So please, I'm urging each and every staff seated here today, you have done your bit. Everybody, whatever small thing that you have done what you can. If you are not called up on here today, please take it as a challenge. For the next upcoming award, you will be surely called here.
Speaking at the event, the Regional Director of Western Region 1 Health Region, Musa Kamara, highlighted the significance of data presentation. He noted that the ceremony was based on the services the Fajikunda Major Health Center provided throughout the year.
And as head of the health region, it is prudent to come and attend and grace this important auspicious occasion to take stock of what were the gains made. Collectively, we can attain our sustainable development goals for health. So notwithstanding, there are very good work being done in terms of health service delivery, looking at our objective of offering quality health service delivery to the population, and in line with the universal health coverage objectives. It is prudent that we take stock of what we have done, gains we have made, and successes and challenges as far as health service delivery is concerned. The award ceremony, data presentation award ceremony, is taking stock of the services that we've rendered to the general population, who are the consumers of health services. So it's important that we take stock of those milestones. And then here you can see community members, cross-section of community members who have been invited to come and see for themselves the services we are rendering, how far we have gone, the achievements, the challenges, and then the way forward.
The Director of Research at the Ministry of Health, Seni Sane, discussed some of the ministry's interventions in addressing the challenges faced by the Fajikunda Health Facility.
Yeah, I think in terms of our the role of the ministry in trying to see what is going to be the outcome of this particular event is that over the years we have seen a mass improvement in terms of our infrastructure. Infrastructure improvement has been highlighted as one of the key challenges in our health system. And recently you've seen that we've built a lot of new health facilities across the entire country. And the second thing that also this type of event also give you an opportunity to know about is our human resource capacity. The human resource capacity also is one thing that is going to be presented to know how many of the human power do they have on the ground to be able to deliver the required services that they need to do as a facility. And over the years, there has been an improvement in that area as well, because in terms of nurses and other healthcare professionals like pharmacy, laboratory services, as well as medical doctors, there has been an increased number of trainees that are actually graduating from the training schools. And also at the level of the training schools, they have now increased their number of intakes just to be able to at least gradually build the gap of our human resource gap. So in terms of also equipment also in some of the facilities, there have been a report of lack or absence of those equipment to be able to at least allow them to do their work very well. And recently, the projects that we have, especially the World Bank project, has procured a lot of equipment, very essential one for that matter, that actually has now improved our service delivery. Because you'll bear me witness, if you have the people on the ground, but they don't have the required equipment to work with, then it has defeated the purpose of getting those people seated.
The Fajikunda Major Health Center also awarded certificates of appreciation to some staff members and supporters in recognition of their service and support to the center. Reporting for Kirpatu, I am Ramatulai Jao.